Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Amader pathshala. Hope you all are well. Today I am here just to take a class on higher math first paper, class 11 and 12. Dear student, you just see that class 11 and 12 higher math first paper. Today's topic is circle, exercise 4.1 and 4.2. This is the second lecture on circle. At first, we are going to see the learning outcome of today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, dear student, we all will be able to review of the previous class which was held on circle, discuss mathematical problem of a circle, discuss creative question and multiple choice question of a circle. Now I would like to see the review of the previous class. Dear student, you just say that we have already learned in the previous class, the preceding class, different formulae of the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. You just take a look in the board. Its center is minus g minus f. Its radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c unit. Length of the x intercept is 2 root g square minus c unit. Length of y intercept 2 root ab square minus c unit. If the circle touches x-axis, then we get a relation like this, g square equals to c. If the circle touches y-axis, then we get a relation like ab square minus c, ab square equals to c. Okay, then we are going to the next slide. If the circle touches x and y-axis, that touches both axes, then we get a relation like this, g square equals to f square equals to c. If the circle passes through the origin, the 0, 0, then we get a relation like this, c equals to 0. Next one, if a circle touches a straight line, this straight line will be tangent. So then the perpendicular distance to the straight line from the center of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, dear student, now we are going to see the second formula. The equation of a circle whose diameter is a straight line joining the two ends points as x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by x into x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Then the third one, if the two circles touches each other externally, then the distance between the center of the circle equals to the sum of the radii of the circle. Then the fourth one, if the circle touches each other internally, then the distance between the centers of the circle is equal to the difference of the radii of those circles. We are going to the next slide. Fifth one, the perpendicular distance from the point x1, y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Its formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a coefficient of x square, that is a square, plus coefficient of y square, that is b square. It is a formula of a straight line, but this formula will be used in to solve the problem of circle. That's why you have written here. The condition for the straight line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square equals to a square is c equals to plus minus square root of 1 plus m square. Okay, then the equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 at the point x1 y1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Then the equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equals to a square at the point x1 y1 is x1 plus y1 equals to a square. Then you just see that ninth one, then the length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 drawn from the point x1 y1 equals to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay. Then you just see that 10th number, the length of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square equals to a square drawn from the point x1 y1 is equals to root x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Then the equation of the common chord of the circles h1, which is x square plus y square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c, and h2, which is x square plus y square plus 2g x2 plus 2f y2 plus c, is s1 minus s2 equals to 0. So the common chord of the circle s1 and s2 is s1 minus s2 equals to 0. We must keep this in our mind. Next one. Now I would like to see the question number 1. The tangent of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y plus 2 equals to 0, cut off equal intercept of same sign from the axis of coordinate, find the equation of the tangent. Now I would like to see the solution of the problem. Given that the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y plus 2 equals to 0. You just see that we are comparing this equation with the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then we get 2g equals to 4, 2f equals to minus 8 and c equals to 2. You just see that we have written to this 2g equals to 4, 2f equals to minus 2 and c equals to 2. Which implies that g equals to 2, f equals to minus 4 and c equals to 2. Okay. Then its center is minus g minus f. So it will be minus 2 comma 4, and its radius, its formula is g square plus square root of g square plus f square minus c. So it will be 2 square means 4 plus f square means minus 4 whole square, it is 16 minus c, so it will be minus 2. So by making calculation we get its result is 3 root 2 unit. Okay. Next one. Now it is also given in the question the tangent of the circle cuts off equal intercept of same sign from the axis of coordinate. So tangent is a straight line. So you just see that let the equation of the tangent be x by a and y by a equals to 1. This this equation of the tangent cuts off equal intercept a from the both side x from the both axes x and y, which is a. Okay, that is x by a plus y by a equals to 1. We can rewrite this equation into the form x plus y equals to a. Okay. Then now the perpendicular distance to the straight line x plus y minus a equals to 0 from the center minus 2 comma 4, we get minus 2 plus y, x is minus 2, y is 4. So minus 2 plus 4 minus a by square root of coefficient of x square is 1 square and coefficient of y square is 1 square. So we will get absolute value of minus a minus 2 by root 2. 1 square means 1 and 1 square equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to root 2. Okay. By due to absolute value we can avoid this minus sign, that's why it will be a minus absolute value of a minus 2 by root 2, which is equal to the radius. That's why we can write down by the condition a absolute value of a minus 2 by root 2 equals to 3 root 2, or a minus 2 by root 2 equals to plus minus 3 root 2, or a minus 2 equals to plus minus you just see that root 2 into root 2 is this is 2 and 3 into 2 this is 6. So a minus 2 equals to plus minus 6. Then a equals to 2 plus minus 6. Okay. Then a equals to 8 plus 8 comma minus 4. Now we are putting the value of a in 1, we get, you just see that x plus y minus 8 equals to 0, or x plus y minus plus 4 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the tangent. This is completed. Now we are going to see another problem. Question number 2. One chord of the circle x square plus y square equals to 81 is bisected at the point 2 comma 3. Find the equation of the circle. Now we would like to see the solution of this problem. You just see that this circle equation of the circle x square plus y square equals to 81. Its center is 0 0 and radius is 9. Okay, now 81 equals to 9 square. You just see that we have written given that the equation of the circle x square plus y square equals to 81 or x square plus y square equals to 9 square. So its center is 0 0 and radius is 9 unit. Let the chord AB, let the chord be AB, which is bisected at the point P comma P minus 2 comma 3, and we join O comma P. Then we know that the line joining the center and the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to that chord. That's why OP is perpendicular to AB. Let the equation of OP equals to y equals to mx. Here m is the slope of the straight line. Okay, since this line passes through the origin, so its m equals to y1 by x1. y1 is 3 and x1 is minus 2. So you just see that if we make calculation of this part, 3x equals to minus 2y or 3x plus 2y equals to 0. Since OP is perpendicular to AB, let the equation of the chord AB equals to AB be 2x minus 3y plus k equals to 0. Since this line are perpendicular to each other, so the coefficient of x and y will be interchanged and the sign between the x and y will be changed. Okay, that's why we have written 2x minus 3y plus k equals to 0. And this line passes through the point P minus 2 comma minus 2 3. So if we put x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 3, then this line will be satisfied. You just see that. Then 2 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into 3 plus k equals to 0, or minus 4 minus 9 plus k equals to 0. So k equals to 13. Now if we put the value of k in 1, then we get 2x minus 3y plus 13 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the chord. Okay, I think every dear student, all are understood. Okay, now we are going to see the next one. Question number 3. Find the length of the tangent drawn from the point 1 comma minus 1 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. Now we would like to see the solution of the problem. Given that equation of the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. If we divide both sides by 2, then you will get x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 8 plus 4 equals to 0. Now we are we are dividing both sides by 2. Okay, you just see that. So the length of the tangent drawn from the point 1 comma 1 to the circle, it will be x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 minus y1 plus 4 equals to 0. Here x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 1. So it will be square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square minus 5 into 1 minus 1 plus 4. So if we make calculation of this part, its result will be square root 2. So answer is the root 2 unit. Okay, dear student, now we are going to see the another problem. Find the length and the equation of the chord of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 21 equals to 0. You just see that given that the equation of the circle, we are considering the equation of the first equation is S1, second equation is S2. That's why we have written S1 equals to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. S2 which is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 21 equals to 0. So the equation of the common chord is S1 minus S2 equals to 0. By making calculation, then we will get 8x minus 8y plus 24 equals to 0. If we divide both sides by 8, then we will get x minus y minus plus 3 equals to 0. Then you just see that there is a figure. These two circles intersect each other. So there is a common chord. The common chord is AB. So the ends points of the common chord is A and B. Okay. Or the equation of the common chord was x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. From that equation we get a relation like this: y is equal to x plus 3. Now this is the equation number 3. Now if we put the value of y is equal to x plus 3 in 1, then we will get x square plus y square. It will be x plus 3 whole square plus 4x minus 2y, 2 into x plus 3 equals to 0. This x square, if we expand with the help of the formula of a plus b whole square, it will be x square plus 2 into x into 3, that is 6x, plus 3 square, this is 9, this is plus 4x minus 2x plus a minus 3, 2 3s are 6, and this plus 3 equals to 0. If we make calculation of this part, we will get 2x square plus 4x, 8x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. Now if we divide both sides by 2, then we will get x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. If we break if we factorize this term x square plus 4x plus 3, then we will get x plus 1 into x plus 3 equals to 0. Either x plus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 1, or x plus 3 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 3. Then we have already got the two values of x is minus 1 and minus 3. If we put the value of x in 3, then we will get, you just see that putting the values of x in 3, we get when x equals to 1, then y equals to x plus 3, it will be minus 1 plus 3 equals to 2, and when x equals to minus 3, then y equals to x plus 3, that is minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So the ends points of the chord AB are a minus 1 comma 2 and b minus 3 comma 0, and the length of the chord AB equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus 2y2 whole square. We are finding this with the help of the distance formula. That's why it will be x1 square minus x2 whole square, that is minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. It will be 2 minus 0 whole square. Then 3 minus 1, this is 2, 2 square is 4, and then 2 minus 0, this is 2, 2 square is 4, square root of 4 plus 4. So it will be square root of 2 into 4, square root of 4 is 2, and this root 2 will remain here. So the length of the chord AB is root 2 unit. Answer: you just see that the equation of the chord is x minus y plus 3 equals to 0, and that of length is 2 root 2 unit. Okay. Dear student, now I would like to see MCQ question. Question number 1: if a circle of center, it will be center. If a circle of center minus 2 comma 1 touches x axis, then its diameter equals to what? There are 4 options: minus 2, 1, C is 1, and C is minus 1, it will be minus 1, and D is 4. Okay, you just see that since the circle touches x axis, its radius is absolute value of ordinate of center. So absolute value of ordinate, I mean the y coordinate is 1, so diameter equals to 2 into radius equals to 2. So correct option is 2. So correct option, it will be C will be 2. There is a mistake, you just see that C of the option C will be 2. Okay. Another MCQ question, equation of a point circle. You just see that there are 4 options. Number 1, x square minus y square equals to 0. The second option, x square plus y square equals to 0. Third option, x square plus a square equals to a square. Fourth option, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we know what is the definition of point circle. The circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is 0 unit. So is called then it is called a point circle. The circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is 0 unit, so is called a point circle. You just see that we have written this. So it's the option B is correct. You just see that option B is correct. Now I would like to see a creative question. You just see that there are 2 two circles. These two circles intersect each other whose centers A minus 3 comma 4, B minus 3 comma minus 2. So, and its radius 3 and 3. Then there are three questions show that these two circles of the stem touches externally. Second, find the equation of the circle that passes through the origin and the center of the stem. Third one, the third question you just see that find the equation of the tangent drawn from the point 3 comma minus 5 to the circle with center A. Now, I would like to see the solution of the problem. Question number A. Now, we are going to show that these two circles touches each other externally. That is why at first we are going to determine the distance between the center of the two circles. The distances between the centers, that is AB equals to with the help of the distance formula, AB equals to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square equals to, if we make calculation of this part, then we will get its result is 6. How? This is 6 square is 36 and then it will be 0 square is 0. So, square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Now, we are going to find the sum of the radii of the circle. You just see that sum of the radii of the circle equals to 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Since these two distances are equal, so we can say that the circle touches each other externally. You just see that we have written like this. Since the distance between the center of the circle is equal to the sum of the radii of those circles, so the two circles of the stem touches externally. Sure. Now, we would like to see the second question. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, whose center is minus g minus f. We have already learned this. Since given that the equation of the circle passes through the 3 points. Number one, first one is origin 0 0, second one is minus 3 comma 4 and third one is minus 3 comma minus 2. Since the circle 1 passes through the origin, the 0 0, if we put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in this equation 1, then we will get 0 square plus 2 into g into 0 plus 2 into f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Ultimately, its value will get a relation like this, c equals to 0. Again, if the circle 1 passes through the point minus 3 comma 4 and minus 3 comma minus 2, then we will get for the first point minus 3 comma 4, it will be minus 3 whole square, this is 9, 4 square, this is 16 plus 2 into g into minus 3, it will be minus 6g plus 2 into f into 4, it will be 8f plus c equals to 0. You just see that 16 plus 9, this is 25 minus 6g plus 8f. You take a look in the equation number 2, c equals to 0. So, if we put c equals to 0 here, then we will get 25 minus 6g plus 8f equals to 0. This is the equation number 3. Okay. For the second point minus 3 comma minus 2, we will get a relation like this. You just take a look in the board. 9 minus 3 whole square, it will be 9, minus 2 whole square, it will be 4 plus 2 into minus 3 into g, that is 6g plus 2 into f into minus 2, it will be minus 4 plus c is equal to 0. So, 9 plus 4, this is 13 minus 6g plus minus f, since c is equals to 0. So, it will be 13 minus 6g minus 4f equals to 0. This is the equation number 4. Okay. Now, we are if we subtract 4 from the equation number 3, then we will get a relation like this. 25 minus 13, this is 12. Then this 6g plus 6g and minus 6g will be cancelled, and then it will be minus 8f plus 4f, it will be 12f. That is f equals to minus 12 by 12. So, its value is minus 1. The value of f is minus 1. Now, we are putting the value of f in 4. You just see that 13 minus 6g minus 4 into minus 1. or 17, 13, this is minus 4 into minus 1, it will be plus 4. So 13 plus 4 is 17 minus 6g equals to 0, or g equals to 17 by 6. Now if we put the value of g in 1, g in 1, then we will get a relation like this. You just see that x square plus y square plus 2, g is 17 by 6 into x plus 2 into minus 1 into y plus c is 0. Okay. So it will be x square plus y square plus 2 into 6. If we make calculation of this part, it will be 17 by 3 into x. Okay. We just see that x square plus y square plus 17 by 3 into x, plus a minus 2, 1 are 2, y, and c is 0. So equals to 0. You just see that there is a denominator is 3. So if we multiply both side by 3, then we will get 3x square plus 3y square plus 17x minus 6y equals to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Okay. Dear student, now I would like to see the third one. Let the slope of the tangent be m. Since the equation of a straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 5 with the slope m is given by y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Here y1 is minus 5 and x1 is 3. So y minus y1, that is y minus 5, it will be y plus 5 equals to m into x minus x1. x1 is 3. So we can rewrite this equation into the form mx minus y minus 3m minus 5 equals to 0. This is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. Okay. Now the perpendicular distance of the circle of the straight line 2 from the center a minus 3 comma 4, it will be minus 3m. X is minus 3 and y is 4. So a minus 3, absolute value of minus 3m minus 4 minus 3m minus 5. Square root of coefficient of x square, it will be m square, plus coefficient of y square, it will be minus 1 whole square. Okay. You just see that equals to absolute value of minus 6m plus 9. Due to absolute value, this minus will be cancelled. We can avoid this minus sign. So absolute value of 6m plus 9 by root over m square plus 1. By the condition, you just see that absolute value of this equals to 3. So if we make square to the both side, then we will get 6m plus 9 whole square equals to 3 square is 9, and a square root of this is, if we make square this, then it will be 1 plus m square. Okay. By expanding this with the help of a plus b whole square, it will be 36 m square plus 2 into 6m into 9, this is 108 m plus 9 square is 81 equals to 9 m square plus 9. Okay. We can rewrite this 27 m square plus 108 m, 81 minus 9, this is 72 equals to 0. Okay. You just see that by dividing both sides by 9, okay, it will be this. Dear student, in this way we have find out the value of m is this. Okay. Putting the value of m, we get a relation is this. There is a homework. You will do the homework. Okay. Thanks to all.